Hey guys, it's Casey. So on a normal Thursday, I get back from class around 1:20 and then I do a little workout in my common room. Usually I pull up a video from YouTube. First I will start off by stretching because after sitting in class for 4 hours, I definitely needed to stretch. Then I did an ab workout, which was really hard. I was struggling, but you know, I felt good in the end. And then I did a butt workout with some bands, and I tried out a new butt workout that I found on TikTok that I've been trying to do every other day. We'll see if it works, because right now I have no butt, so we're starting fresh. After working out, a smoothie is my normal lunch for the day. I usually just fling together whatever I can find in my freezer. Then after that, I catch up with my roommates while they're in class or doing work, and then I bathe so I don't smell and look like a little rat. Then some Thursdays I will do some homework. I don't have class on Fridays, but I like to get it over with sometimes on Thursday. But this Thursday I could not focus very well, so I decided to watch Love Island. Hi vlog!
Hi vlog!
We're going to Blaze because
I love pizza!
we want pizza.
Yum.
On a normal night we would be eating pasta. However, our sorority has an event.
So therefore we were eating
So we're going to go support.
What's up, friend? She didn't talk too much, but I still did. She a fool.
I'm in the corner. Oh! The sky is beautiful.
You have to show the flyer.
Look at this view.
Oh yeah, I am the view. A little bit of the, can you get a little bit more cheese on that?
Yay! Our beautiful meal. Look at that.
I don't really like most of salads, but I really like
You're a freak? You got pineapple.
You don't like pineapple on pizza?
No,
I hate pineapple
I'm
on
not a
pizza.
freak.
Pineapple on pizza is actually
No.
I don't know what your issue is.
We finished our dinner.
And dinner was delicious.
We had a great time.
We chatted about
chatted.
the suburbs.
Yeah, we talked about cities and suburbs. Now we're gonna go get dressed and beautified and ready for, we're going to a bar that people go to on Thursdays.
Tavern in the Square, Alston.
We'll catch up with you later. I didn't film my makeup, but I did this. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I look like an alien, but we're just gonna rock with it. Gotta entertain ourselves somehow.
I don't know what's actually there, but... Hey!
Your touch in
Dodgeball! Can we take a little break? Is it okay?
Walking.
We're going to Tits. We have Euphoria inspired makeup.
I don't know what else to say, but we're walking. It's gonna be about a mile, so pray for us. We are just playing a game of cards. We're watching the game, you know, wholesome vibes. I'm about to get naked for no tennis bracelet. Boom, boom. We are going to a store called Blanchard's because it's our friend's 21st birthday, so we have to get her some goodies for this weekend. I think I did the arm thing too much. We need to escort ourselves away. I'm gonna kick myself out. She's so excited because she got her coffee. Please help me.
But they're not quite security.
Wow, beautiful time. spooky season. She's stripping down. You're okay.
Get off me! Get off!
Yeah, I just looked outside and there is a rainbow. Oh my goodness.
I need to pay.
Chef. The chef.
Oh my god. She is flailing again. Good morning.
Good morning, it's bright out.
We are about to go on a run on the Esplanade.
We do this loop, it's about 4 miles. We're rising and grinding.
On a Saturday too.
Row, row, row your boat. Ran her first 1.7 miles.
Yeah.
We're improving.
Yes, because I could barely do a mile like a month ago. But now I'm almost double what I did. I am double what I did actually.
We're thriving.
So yay.
My freckles came out. A modern romance.
Ready, go. Switch.
Okay, but let me tell you, I got this straight.
Yay!
You're ready?
Wow, I found a turtle in the road. Wait, I'll give you like a little boost.
Thank you!
What'd they say?
My breast hurts so bad.
Pennyboarding gone wrong.
I cut my hand on glass. There's like a bunch of glass on the street over there.
Yeah, because boys are rats.
And they like
They're
to break
crustaceans.
things. They're crustaceans! Vlog. So me and Jill are on a little picnic. We have some charcuterie items and it just so happens that Casey is right sitting over there doing her little filmography.
Wasted, I could see your face in the morning warm your embrace.
We're here with Big Bird.
I am not Big Bird. I am actually Big Ostrich. We are out here in this outdoor patio situation. It is very pretty. There's like little lights on like the umbrellas.
Big Bird.
It's actually, I think it's bigger than my head.
This is the Jill order. Like there's the Charlie order, there's also the Jill order. It's nice vanilla latte.
So Jill and I originally went to a cafe right down the block from our dorm, and then the Wi-Fi wouldn't connect to our laptops. So we left and went back to our dorm and studied on the top floor. We were very productive. We're there for a few hours. Cat was dying. We decided to reward ourselves with some pennyboarding. We're going really fast out here. Do do do.